Hey everyone, Orchid from Rethink Innovations here. I just got done baking a chocolate cake and now I'm going to show you all how to make a USB portable thermoelectric cooling device. Let's get started. So the reason why I invented this device was because I wanted to create a low cost, low power draw, highly reliable and compact way to access coolness on the go for people around the world and for myself. As you can see, I have a thermometer here and the device connected to my leg, and it is currently running. The device is connected to a portable battery. I'm about to get the temperature from this device. As you can see, the device is able to create temperatures under ambient temperature because it moves heat from one place to another. Right now on my leg, after a period of time, it feels like ice. So when you plug this device into a USB port, 5 volt 1.8 amp to 2.4 amp, this side of the thermoelectric unit gets very cold. The other side, however, gets very hot, so I put a 40 millimeter by 40 millimeter by 1 millimeter thermal pad, and then I put a 40 millimeter by 40 millimeter by 11 millimeter heatsink on the thermal pad. Then I added a 40 millimeter by 40 millimeter by 10 millimeter fan 5 volt to the heatsink, and I put a grill on it to protect your fingers or the fan against any objects. Then I secured all of these down with 4 M3 by 20 millimeter screws. This green wire in the heatsink is twist tie cable wire. And the reason why I put this through was because it allows me to connect a reusable cable fabric tie, and this allows me to secure this cold side down to an object or an arm or a leg, for example. So in terms of the wiring and connectors, I took the negative wire of the fan and negative wire of the thermoelectric unit, stripped those wires, twisted the strands together, and put a ferrule on top of those strands, which I then crimped down with the crimping tool. I did the same with the positive wires. Then I put that crimped ferrule into the screw terminal of this female DC jack connector, and I did the same with the positive as well. This female DC jack connector then will connect to a male DC jack connector that leads to a USB male Type A connector. This cable is 5 feet long for mobility and extension purposes, and this USB male Type A connector will connect to a portable battery, a USB solar panel, or a wall adapter, or any USB port that can output 5 volts, 1.8 amps to 2.4 amps. As such, that's how to create a USB portable thermoelectric cooling device. Please let me know how this has improved your quality of life, as well as any suggestions on how to improve this device. Thank you.